Frozen Rain, a poem by the late Michael Longley. I slow down the waterfall to a chandelier, filaments of daylight, bones fleshed out by ice that recuperate in their bandages of glass. And where the lake behaves like a spirit level, I save pockets of air for the otter to breathe. I magnify each individual blade of grass, with frozen rain, a crop of icicles and twigs, fingers and thumbs that beckon towards the thaw, and melt to the marrow between lip and tongue, while the wind strikes the branches like a celeste.